Welcome to Cybersecurity. In today's video, we'll be looking at ChatGPT and how someone can use it for cyber offense. If you're not aware, ChatGPT is an AI assistant released by OpenAI. It has taken the world by storm with its almost perfect response to every question. It can write working code, marketing emails, and even generate legal agreements. While there are many useful things ChatGPT can do, it can also be used for cyber offense or malicious purposes. In this video, we'll see 3 ways ChatGPT can be used for cyber offense. ChatGPT can generate custom malicious software. This could lead to more widespread and sophisticated malware attacks that could be difficult to defend against. Also, if an AI system was able to create and distribute malware, it could be used to bypass security measures and even infect secure systems. Using AI systems like ChatGPT, attackers can write convincing phishing emails to target people and businesses. This will increase the number of spam and phishing emails that we receive. Always double check the email and the links before entering any sensitive data. AI tools like ChatGPT can identify vulnerabilities in code. This will increase the number of zero-day vulnerabilities, which we will not have a fix. This will put a lot of computers at risk, exposing them to malicious software. ChatGPT is a powerful tool with the ability to help us become more productive. It also has the risk of being used for malicious purposes. The first step in defending against AI-backed attacks is to be aware of the ways AI can be used against you. We'll be posting more videos on ChatGPT and cybersecurity in the coming weeks, so subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching this video. Along with videos, we publish articles on our blog as well. You can find a lot of practical tutorials on topics like password cracking, social engineering, Wi-Fi attacks, and many others on our blog. You can find the link for our blog in the description below. We publish 2 to 3 videos every week. If you want us to send you a summary of our videos, you can sign up for our weekly newsletter. We'll send you an email every Friday with a summary of our articles and videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another topic.